Nancy back again, and I've brought my special helper again.
Hi, I'm Everlyn.
We're back today with a really simple science experiment that you and your children can have fun at home trying out. We've brought really common items that most of you will find in the house. Everlyn, do you want to tell everybody what we brought today?
Sure. So we have 2 pie pans, we have a jar of soap, we have some food coloring, about 5 Q-tips, and some milk.
That's right. So what we're going to do today is actually be experimenting with colors. All right, so what we're going to do at first is pour the milk into the pie containers. Everyone, you want to start off with that?
Sure.
Okay, so as you can see, we have chosen glass pie containers, but the reason we chose glass is because we want you to be able to see exactly what we're doing. So really, you can use any kind of pot or pan or container that you have at home, okay? We're using 1% milk. I don't think it makes a difference what fat content the milk is, but that's what we have, so that's what we're using. Okay, so now that we have our 2 pie containers with milk, we're going to mix 2 colors in one container and 2 colors in another. So Ever, in the first container, what 2 colors do you want to mix?
Let's mix green and yellow.
Okay, so we're gonna mix blue and yellow, and what's that going to make?
Green.
Yeah, it's gonna make green. So we actually have 3 colors to choose from: red, yellow, and blue. Those are our primary colors, and when we mix them, we get secondary colors. So Ever chose blue and yellow. So Ever, which color do you want to put in?
I'll put in blue.
Okay, and I'll put in yellow. And you can count the dots as you put them in if you want. Over here? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so I'm going to add some yellow. And as you notice, I'm not allowing the yellow dots that I'm putting in to actually touch the blue dots. And there is a reason for that. Okay, Ever, what's our next step?
Next, we get the soap dish.
Okay, well, we've chosen clear dish soap, so that way we're not adding another color into our color mixing experiment, okay? So, Everlyn, what do we do with the soap?
We put it on the end of a Q-tip, and then we put the Q-tip in the milk.
And let's see what happens when she puts the Q-tip in the milk. Oh my goodness, it just dropped in, and what happened?
Then the colors kind of went off.
Yeah, they went off to the sides, didn't they? Started mixing around. So if you notice, everyone, where the colors have started to blend, you can actually start to see shades of green because, yellow and blue make green. So Ever, show them what we tried afterwards, after we put our soap in initially. We took our Q-tip and we started just swirling it around a little bit. You can see more green. You can also see really, really cool lines in the milk too. So pretty. And what did we say we thought that our milk dish with that when we made the green color looked like?
It kind of looks like planet Earth.
It kind of looks like planet Earth. Okay, Ever, we have 2 secondary colors we can choose from now. We can either make orange or we can try to create purple. What color do you want to make?
Let's make purple.
Okay, so for purple, we need blue and we need red. What colors do you want to drop in, Ever?
I'll drop in the red.
Ever's gonna do the red, I'll do the blue. May I go first?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, roughly, I know it kind of spread out, but that's roughly how many? 6 or 7 dots, and Ever's gonna add some red. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we have our red and our blue food coloring. We're going to take a fresh Q-tip that we didn't use yet, and again, like Ever said, we're going to roll it around in our soap, get lots of soap on there. All right, and what we're noticing in this experiment is the initial contact with the soap that changes where all the food coloring sits in the milk. So Ever, do you want to dip this into this container?
Sure.
Okay. Wow, look at that. All of the food coloring drops are moving around, spreading out, creating really, really interesting patterns in our pie dishes. Ever, do you want to start swirling it around a little bit more the way we did with the other container? So fun. Look at as we start swirling more and more, we can see little hints of purple. See, right through there. I see pink too, because when we mix red and white, we get pink. A lighter blue is coming. Oh my goodness, that looks so cool. So moms and dads, there you have it. Super simple science experiment that you can try at home using common materials that you have at home. And the great thing about this science experiment is that it's fun, it's easy to do, and it's quick. You can expand it using lots of different words and ask your children questions. Don't forget, with any kind of play activity like this, they may get messy. So use play clothes, put towels down if you want, and we'll see you again really soon, okay? Thanks, Summer. Bye!